Assalamu alaikum ورحمة الله وبركاته. Welcome to Madani Islamic Academy, Quran Tajweed course online. Viewers, today we will continue our lesson number 21 from Madani Qaida, and today we will learn the rule of waqf or pause. What is waqf in an Arabic accent we will learn in this lesson with example. Before starting our lesson, if you are new on my channel, kindly subscribe my channel. Let's start the lesson. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Viewers, in this lesson I will teach you what is waqf or pause, what is waqf tam, how do we pronounce waqf in an Arabic accent. We will learn all these things in this lesson with example. What is waqf? In an Arabic accent, the meaning of waqf is to pause or stop. That is, at whichever word waqf is to be done, and the voice as well as the breath on the last letter of that particular word. What is waqf in an Arabic accent? The meaning of waqf is to pause or stop, that is, at whichever word waqf is to be done, and the voice as well as the breath on the last letter of that particular word. What is waqf tam? This circle sign is called waqf tam. In an Arabic accent, this circle sign is called waqf tam. This sign indicates the completion of Quranic ayah. We should be stop or pause here during pronunciation or recitation. On this sign, we should stop during pronunciation or recitation. If vertical zir comes on the last letter of the word, then we make that letter sakin when doing waqf. This is the example of waqf. Here we have the last letter which has vertical zir, and according to the waqf rule, the last letter becomes sakin. In the waqf, that last letter becomes sakin and it has jazm sign on it. This sign shows that this letter is sakin. This is the jazm sign. Any letter which has this sign, that letter is called sakin letter. In waqf, this ha letter is sakin, and this circle sign shows waqf tam. How do we pronounce without waqf this word and with waqf? Let's learn. Ain zir I, ba alif zabar ba, iba zal zir di, ibadi ha khada zir hi, ibadihi. Now we pronounce this word in waqf. Because of waqf, the last letter becomes sakin. And how do we pronounce ibadi? Ibadi. Ibadi. Without waqf, how do we pronounce ibadihi? And in waqf, when we apply waqf, then we pronounce ibadihi, ibadi, ibadi, because in waqf the last letter becomes sakin. This is the example of waqf in an Arabic accent. Thanks for watching. Kindly visit my website madaniislamicacademy.com. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.